Hello, it's Amanda here, and today I want to talk about how easy it is to make an essential oil roller bottle. And I know so many people get their oils and they're like, what do I do next? And putting your oils into a roller bottle that's diluted makes it easy to roll on the go and use every single day. So, with these concentrated doTERRA oils, we want to make sure we dilute them. And the reason we do that is they get into our body and our bloodstream quicker. We also dilute the oils because it saves us money. We don't need to use them at full concentration. So this is a win-win. Roller bottles, you can buy them in lots of shapes and sizes. Usually the lid will just twist right off. I'm going to give you a pro tip. If you need a little extra help, and sometimes the first time you can use a butter knife, they do make a little tool, but if you're looking for something just around your home, a butter knife, you put it under the edge, pop the lid off. And today we're going to make OnGuard, the powerhouse for immune boosting. And this is an oil that I truly believe every adult, every kid needs to have in their collection. And we're going to put about 30 drops of OnGuard in here. And when we get the 30 drops, and I just want you to remember, don't worry about messing these up and not making them exactly right. You really cannot mess this up, okay? And then you're going to add your liquid coconut oil. This is doTERRA's liquid coconut oil. You can search when you go to do an order the word pump and buy a little pump. It makes it much easier to fill the roller bottles that you will be making constantly once you start using them. Pop the lid back on, add a label if you want, and it's ready to roll. And so we're going to use OnGuard proactively every single day. You're going to roll this on the bottom of your feet morning and night during the sickness season, at least once a day, other times of the year, to really be proactive. Now, let's say we have a little scratchy throat going on. You could roll it right on your throat. Oh, we've got some ear stuff. Let's put this OnGuard right behind our ears. So once you have it made into roller, you can keep it with you. Use it any time of day that's needed. But remember with this one, when you make OnGuard, that you keep it and use it daily. I like to suggest putting this one by maybe by your toothbrush, and that's going to remind you to roll it on morning and night to be proactive.